For my Berkik 3 rebuild, I made a new center section, but I made the ribs out of balsa wood, both sides. And then I used that, I transferred over, here's my big block that I'm going to make my new center section. Trace the lines over both sides. I haven't experimented with hot wire. I don't think I'm going to do that for here. It's simple enough, but maybe in the future for something. So I took my my wood saw and drew my lines and hacked out a piece. I'm headed to the hardware store to get some coarse sandpaper to start shaping this thing. Getting ready to re-wet these with epoxy, the leading edge and the trailing edge. This is that carbon fiber Kevlar combination. Here we're upside down probably. Here's the trailing edge. So where I've sanded and done some fairing and stuff, I'm gonna get a little bit of epoxy back in to wet that glass out. Okay, here's my Berkik 3. I put a second coat of epoxy resin, primarily on the nose here where I'm blending the two different, the underside fabric and the other, and where I had sanded to get a better surface here. I nicked into the weave a little bit, so I wanted to make sure that that was moist with, saturated with epoxy. Did the same thing on the trailing edge. A little ratty. The whole thing's going to be recovered with tape. There's the bottom side with the carbon fiber and Kevlar combination. And here's the neighbor cat. You can hear, yeah, that's Oliver. Okay, so I'm gonna get her taped up today. Just a little more work on the carved out bay for the battery and electronics. Get the lid attached and so forth. But we're getting close. We might get finished up today and get her in flyable condition. Thanks for watching.